What's happening, fellow model builders, glue sniffers, and paint huffers? Ed, Bob's Hobby Shop and RC. Ed. I'm Ed. So, today I'm going to show you guys where I'm at on the Plymouth. Some of the things I've done. I did a little how-to video on Instagram, on my Instagram page. So what I've done. So I'm excited. It's turned out great. Just the way I want it to. Everything has been custom. And that's what I wanted with this car. So I'm going to show you guys that. This is a bit business has been good. Got the glue holders, stuff like that. So I'll tell you guys all that, man, in the video. So if you guys are ready, sit down, hold on, and we're gonna hit it. Alright guys, so, can't just say guys, but whatever, gonna get offended. Go piss up a rope. So, where I'm at, everything's turning out pretty good. I'm very happy. Gotten some connections with a few guys on Instagram. And there's me wombat. I've got my other ones too, but Zen Modeling. Guy's phenomenal. Check him out. He does some killer shit with aluminum and steel and all that good stuff. So, as I said, I did a little how-to video on my Instagram page. Trying to mix it up between here and YouTube. Figure what the hell. So, the interior is done. Turned out kick-ass. All nice. Lot of hours in this interior, but I am very pleased. First time using photo etched, which I'm fixing to change that. I'm going to be doing some printing for stuff. I made the armrest. All the dots are hand punched. Everything tuck and roll. I did some piping on it as well. And of course that is our fuzzy fur, which is the best on the market. You will not find anybody's better. I don't care. Nobody's will compare. Ours is fluffier. Plus, as I said, the company that makes it for us, man, is absolutely phenomenal. I love them. So yeah, I'm very pleased, man. This is my first time doing an interior like this. So I've got the idea from Danny D. Everybody wants to know how do you do it? Can you do a how-to video? Watch Danny D's channel. He does a little bit of a how-to. I did all this, figuring and everything out is all out of my head. So you gotta sit down and think about how you want it and everything else. The dash, I just painted the chrome on the dash. Hang on a second here, let me see if I can get it without putting my fingers in and stuff. I got tuck and roll on the top. I did a piece of wire for the piping on that. This car is just going to be killer. Absolutely killer. I'm very pleased with everything so far. As the camera keeps going in on a focus. So, yeah, it's awesome. So if you want to learn how to do it, go to Danny D's channel on YouTube. He'll show you. I mean, It goes through pretty much the basics. He got the wiring started. All of my 3D printed, pre-drilled distributor, plug boots. It'll have my wire looms on it, my coil pack. I made my own shocks. The shocks in the rear are done. Did the shocks. They turned out pretty good. I'm pleased with them. I made the drive shaft out of aluminum. So it's an aluminum drive shaft. Right now, I am in the process of making my own steering column. That's aluminum as well. And then a piece of wire hanging on for the turn signal. So the car is going to be well, it's going to be stick, but I want to use my shifter, so it's going to be I guess pretty much like an old shifter, I guess. Body's been primed. I think I already showed y'all. I got a little bit to fix. Took away all the lines. Front end is beautiful now. No lines. No nothing. I got a little touch up to do. Yeah, I wanted it to where there was no lines. No lines, no lines, no lines. So yeah, I love it, man. It looks great. It's gonna be kick-ass when it's done. Wheels, like I said, my Dunlops. I gotta paint the centers the color that I'm painting the car. Not the center of it, but the center of the wheel, not the hubcap part itself. So yeah, this is just awesome, man. I'm so stoked on this. Debating on whether or not to run. I'm going to do fuel lines. I'm debating on whether or not to run brake lines, stuff like that. Haven't figured that out yet. First time using photo etched. The door handles are photo etched. Like I said, I'm very happy, man. Icky sticky. Everything came in. All you guys, your orders have been sent out. Once you get them, enjoy, man. Trust me, you'll throw all your other shit in the garbage. Tamiya crap and everything else in the garbage. It will go. Caca poo poo pee pee shire. It will go. Scale Motorsports. Black Magic decal. I have one of these left. That is it. I sold out of them quick. The toolbox is here. I have, I think, 14 left. So these are awesome. Like I said, it's got the saw blades, everything in it too. You can't beat it. For the price, it's well worth the money, man. Like I said, it's not crap. Anybody that wants tweezers, here's Icky Sticky set. These I have in stock. Their tweezers are absolutely amazing. Anybody that ordered the sprue cutters, bear with me. I got another shipment that'll be coming in. I'll have those in stock. The tape dispensers, I've got everybody, a lot of people switched over to the tape. Her Icky Sticky's tape is just the best. So it's coming along good. I know I'm just babbling and I said what I said before about this bullshit of it going to everybody's head and thinking they're a TV star and they're not. It's a joke. And as far as the Sunday thing, I'm not a follower. So Sparky, Brian over at Sparky's Garage, he is the same as me. He's awesome. Go check him out, man. He's funny. He does some cool builds and stuff too, man. And a lot of it it's by accident, man. But it's he does some killer shit. Killer shit. Think that's about it, man. I tried to do some how-tos, like I said. My camera equipment, I've got to figure out all this stuff. It's just not working the way I want it to. Anybody that is interested in doing the foam, you can get that at Hobby Lobby, Michael's, I'm sure, if you got Michelle's, if you got that. As Danny D would say, it's chili winks. So you can get that there. I got the whole variety pack. It was like 11 bucks. So you get 2 of each color. It's well spending the $11 if you're going to do these kind of interiors. I will say one thing though, man. It is a tight fit. So you need to, pardon me, it's going to be either you break it when you put it in or you figure it out. So what I will say to do, the easiest thing when you start doing it is compress your foam. Push on the sides, compress your foam, and then work it in easily. That's what I had to do with mine. Oh, like I said, man, I think it turned out awesome, man. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I've probably got 8 hours into this. At least 8 hours, if not more. Just sitting down thinking about everything. Yeah, it's like I said, it's very, very time consuming. It's worth it. So I'm gonna shut up and quit babbling. Anybody that's got Outlaw, as I've said before, pre-order. There are a few guys, well, quite a few orders I've had put in. I've turned it into Jason. So as I've said before, it all comes from Australia. Jason had a hurricane come through. He has damage. He is taking care of that first. So if you cannot wait for your order and you're gonna piss and moan, then I'll refund your money. But it is what it is, man. There's nothing I can do about it. Jason didn't plan on having this hit him. He had flooding done to his house, the shop. So he's getting everything in order, all sorted back out. He told me my order, it will be shipped though. It'll probably be the end of this month though, but when it gets shipped. And like I said, as soon as he gets it packed, he's doing the best he can. Outlaw, new owners. Supposed to be taking over in March. So I will continue to be an Outlaw distributor. I was going to drop Outlaw, period. Because things going on with Jason, his health is declining, so he has to sell the company. He has sold it. People that were originally going to buy it back in November, they are buying it. So hold tight, guys. It's well worth it. You won't be sorry. It'll be the best thing you ever waited for when it comes to the paint. So thumbs up me, man, please. Subscribe. Write down in the comments, twist, what you guys want to see, what you guys think of my interior. Like I say, you want to tell me to go fuck myself, eat a bag of dicks, I don't give a shit. Like I said, no sweat off my stack. I'll still sleep at night. So, thank you guys for watching, man, and stay tuned for the next.